Hi, in this video Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra recording tutorial. I am provide full guide. So simply you just go to my control center, swipe down and click on, then showing it to screen recorder. Just tap on to open, showing it to settings option. If you want to select full screen or vertical screen, I'm just select full screen and showing it to audio to record. That's mean audio section. If you want to not allow to audio, just select no option, or if you want to select only audio in your device, select only media, or if you want to record audio from your device and microphone, just select this option. Okay, press on start recording. Now start recording. Follow this area showing you to more feature. Okay, if you want to enable your face record, just tap on showing it to your face or turn off, and pen option is just easily indicate or marking any position or any area. Change color. Okay, or if you want to remove this, press on this arrow option to remove. Okay, if you want to push your recording, press on, and if you want to stop, press on this. Now recording saved. Just open gallery. As you can see, now showing it to my recording. So that's it.